Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and I hope you're doing good. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Mary and I do all things beauty to lifestyle and everything in between. If you're into things like that, make sure you guys subscribe down below. And yeah, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, I'm gonna be doing this beautiful face. Basically, I'm actually going out today. There'll be a vlog, like, you know, coming out soon. I'm going out for like the whole day, so I decided to do like this nice sweat-proof makeup, so fingers crossed it's gonna last throughout the day. Yeah, so my face is like really matte, you know, because I have oily skin, so I'm trying to like prevent the oil from like seeping through for as long as I can. So fingers crossed it's gonna happen today. And yeah, so I decided to do this really cool like green liner look with like green in the inner eye as well, you know, to match my top like I always do. Or if I don't know what I want to do today, I literally just match my eyeshadow to my top. So yeah, I did like a nice soft glam and just like the green liner. My lashes are a bit too voluminous, is that the word? I got messed up in the video as well. I think it's voluminous, I think. Anyways, yeah, they're just really long and like full, so you can't really like see it like too well. That's why I decided to go in a corner with it. But anyways, you guys will see how I done it all in the video. So yeah, make sure you continue watching me. Want to see how I achieve this look. And yeah, so it's your girl Mario, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so today I'm actually going to be using two primers today, just because you guys know I'm actually going for that sweat proof makeup today. I'm going to start with the Revolution one. Go in my T-zone. Oh. Whispering guys, because it's literally really early in the morning and everyone is asleep. Now I'm going to go in with the oil base free primer. Hopefully this will, you know, stop me from getting oily. For me, I just want to go in with some illuminator, because I just want my skin to like be like glowy from within, just because if my face can be matte, I don't know, I just want to add the extra glow, really. So I'm just going to do that with my hands really quickly. Just blend that in. My brow bone too. So also I'm going for a matte look because it's a sweat-proof makeup, but I still want the glow from within vibe. So now I'm gonna go in with two foundations today. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Can't Stop One Stop foundation, which I love so much. Very full coverage. I've used it on the channel a couple of times. And I'm gonna go in with my MUA foundation in the shade 185, just so I can have that matte foundation to like have as a base. But the thing about this foundation is that if you haven't used it in a while, the pump, because the foundation like obviously is like a matte foundation, so it does dry really quickly sometimes. So like there is foundation inside, but the nozzle, that's what I don't really like about it. Literally coming out and you can't open it. I really can't open it, so I have no clue what I'm gonna do. I'm not able to use it today. Like in here there's a lot left, but it's just the pump, which is really annoying. Okay, finally a little bit's coming out now. Maybe it's finished, I don't know. I don't think it is finished though. Anywho, I just wasted like 5 minutes of my time. So I'm just gonna go in with that like on the skin. Obviously I have tanned a bit, so, well, a lot. So it's gonna be like obviously not the best shade match. I'm literally using this because it's really nice full coverage and it will really last throughout the day for like obviously this sweat proof makeup. I'm just gonna go a little bit with this foundation. Yeah. Blend that out. This shade match looks really bad right now, but guys, I promise you it's gonna oxidize and get a little bit darker, and I will also be using my highlight and contour to, you know, sort it out. Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. Okay, I'm done with my eyebrows now. They're brown just because my hair's like blonde. But yeah, so now it's time for concealer. Mixing concealers again. I'm going in with Fawn and my Makeup Revolution concealers in C12 and C10. I'm trying to move really quickly, guys, because actually I'm trying not to be late. I just need to like explain everything to you guys. As you guys know, I like to use this as like, you know, my concealer shade, just to like conceal the areas and stuff. Go in and blend it out. Now everything's concealed, I'm gonna go into highlight. I'm gonna C12. I know it's gonna look mad, but like, this is how I get my makeup to like last all the time. And then, so you guys can see, I'm now highlighted. But obviously I'm extra, so this is the extra that I take just because I'm extra. I'm gonna go with C10. I'm just gonna go into like these areas and just leave it there. Just, I feel like C10's, I don't know, I don't feel like it's as light as I want it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of C0.5. I'm gonna find like a shade that's like perfect that I don't have to like mix, because I feel like, I don't know. Anyways, now it's time for me to cream contour, so I'm just gonna go in with Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F16. As always, I'm just gonna cream contour areas. I'm gonna like take it from the brush this time, it's not as much. Learn from my mistakes, you guys. I'm just gonna go in and like, start blending that out. Much of this is like blending with this brush, is also like product placement as well. Blend that in to my concealer where I concealed. Obviously go back in, just blend that out as well, just so I can move back and forth like freely. I'm just gonna go like do this kind of the same with my sponge as well, just to make sure the ends are blended properly. I've seen difference between this side and this side. So then I get my powder ready. So today my Sasha Buttercup powder and my banana, iheartrevolution banana. So I'm gonna go in first and just like set the rest of my face first. Just like set it. And then I'm just gonna go in. And now I'm just gonna go all over my nose because I'm trying to go for like a sweatproof makeup look. So I want to make sure that my nose will see no oil for the longest time. And this is a method I like to do when I'm doing that. And I literally just go straight in and I just dust that all away. Guys, I don't know what my eye is doing, but my eyes are actually watering. I don't know why. I'm actually getting annoyed because it's been watering all day. Not all day, like all morning. Well, since I woke up. So now that I've set all that in place, I'm going to go in with the banana powder. I'm just going to go in. And just put powder in there. All over my nose, you guys know. While that's just baking for a while, I'm gonna go in and just bronze and like, you know, set my cream contour areas. So I'm gonna go in with the MUA bronzer and I'm gonna go in with the glow bronzer as well. I tap the product in first, you know, just tap in, and then I like to blend that really lightly. Now that that's done, I'm just gonna go in and like get rid of like the excess powder on my face, and just like by tapping that in. Next step is to carve this bit out. I'm gonna go back in my Sasha Buttercup powder and just do that quickly. So while that starts setting in for a little while, I'm just gonna go in with my bronzer. I'm just gonna go in this area. Just go down the bridge of my nose, just like what I usually do. Oh my gosh, my eye. What is going on. Yeah, this is actually annoying me a lot. Like, I don't understand what is going on. I'm so upset. With my NYX No filter powder, and use it to blend this bit out just by tapping it. Then my dust in it. My big fluffy like face brush, go into that same powder and just like go all over my face, just make sure everything's seamlessly blended. Everything looks good. I'm not looking too crazy. So for the eyes, I use like a nice pink blush. Makeup Revolution's pink blush in Lovestruck. And a smile. And go for it. Yeah. So nice pink. Just gonna go back in that brush. And now it's time to set my face. The Pro Base. Oh my gosh. She just ruined my beautiful base. I'm not happy about that. Revolution highlight in Raise the Bar is starting to water again. Oh my gosh. I'm just upset because I'm actually going out. So this is not like in the house look. I'm actually going out. Why does it always happen when I need to go out? Ooh. That was a lot. And yeah, this is literally my base done. Okay, so now it's time for the eyeshadow, which I'm really happy about because at least I can like kind of fix it up with like highlight or something. I'm doing this really cool eyeshadow look today. I'm actually really excited as well. Obviously you guys can see I'm wearing green, so I'm actually trying to do like a green liner look. I'm actually really excited today, yeah, to see what I can do. I'm excited to create, guys. C 0.5. Actually don't need that much concealer. I always do that. I'm gonna take some pats on this eye. I'm gonna go into my 3502 palette and I'm just gonna go in with the shade today, this shade here. I've been trying to switch it up lately, you guys, with my colours because as you guys already see, some of them are really hit and pan already, so I'm really trying to switch it up with some of my colours that I use. Just gonna go in, pat it in first just to get all the pigment, and then to blend this colour out, I'm gonna go in with this shade, mix with this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with this shade. I'm literally working backwards today. I'm gonna go in with this shade just to like really diffuse that. You guys know I usually like to work like backwards from that rather than this way I'm going. Go back in with this shade. Just gonna blend it in more. Okay, to darken that up, I'm just gonna go in with this shade here. Just this shade here, just to darken it up a little bit. I want to create more like shadows. Put that there. On this side. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with this shade here. Mix with this shade. I'm just gonna use it on the center of my eye. Okay, so I'm literally done with this. Literally just because of time, I'm just gonna go in and do my bottom lower lash. I'm gonna go in with some concealer and draw a wing liner, and then I'm gonna put green on top. And then let's look far away so I can yeah, it's not perfect, but it's manageable. And I think that's alright for now. I'm just gonna take this brush, literally just because it's like close to me, it's like a flat brush. And I'm gonna go in with this one right there. Okay guys, so I applied my lashes, I done my inner eye. I decided to just do my inner eye in green just because obviously you can see like the green liner, but you can't really see it just because my lashes are voluminous. I think that's it, not voluminous. But yeah, I'm actually really liking it. Obviously I added some bottom eyelashes as well, which I'm really excited about. I just added 2 to the outer ones, and I think I really like it, guys. I'm in love with this look already. So now it's just time for like the lips. The Makeup Revolution lip liner in Glory. Every time I use this lip liner, it always breaks on me. Hopefully not this time. I'm gonna go in with lip liner Obsession just to like, I don't know, just that dark brown. Even though this can be fine because I did, you know, have used this combo before. But now I'm gonna go in with Piece of Cake, the sheer lip gloss Piece of Cake. It's dirty because it's in my bag. It was in my bag. Oh, I'm just gonna go with that and go all down here. I'm loving this. I love this. I literally love this so much. Yeah, you guys, this is actually the finished look. I'm actually so excited. I'm just gonna go in with another setting spray. Let me do my hair. So obviously this is a 3-in-1 get ready with me, so it's also included with my makeup, my hair and my outfit. I will be showing you guys my outfit obviously when I get to where I'm going, just because I need someone to like, you know, record my outfit. So I'm doing a half up, half down. I literally just separated 2 from the front just because I want, you know, 2 in the front. And yeah, so I'm just like tying this in a ponytail. And then I'm just taking 1 strand because it's quite long. Usually I take 2, but this is quite a long strand. So it's gonna wrap around, making sure it's actually tight, and like obviously covering up the black hair tie. I feel like these little bits are gonna annoy me all day, but if so, I literally just put them to the back as well. They will go to the back. They will go around this bit if they annoy me. Also, my earrings, let me not forget. So I don't really know what one to use because obviously I want to use like chunky hoops because I can't use a necklace. So I'm thinking going with statement earrings, but I don't know what is more statement. I think I'm going to go with the hoops. Hoops is where my heart is, I'm not lying, but I do love them other ones, but hoops is where my heart is. So chunky gold hoops, and I'm just gonna go and accessorize with a ring, just 1 ring. Yeah, so guys, this is it. And you guys already know I have my smartwatch on that got sent to me. I will link it in the description box below. Oh, and yeah, I'm just loving this whole look. This is just a vibe, like literally this whole thing is literally just a vibe. Yeah, I'm gonna insert like the clips of my outfit and stuff so you guys can see what I'm wearing, where I've got everything from. Then these jeans are from Boohoo, and then these are Air Forces. That was my birthday, and my bag is from Shein as well. Just open by accident. Stop closing. Okay, cool. And then I don't know my things from, but I'll put in the description box, you guys. But yeah, that's my things. Okay, cool thing as well. Why is it bitches looking at me? She's like, why are they looking at me, lol?
Should I stop now?
No. No thing. Yeah? Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.